So one of the things that you can let users do is give them drawing abilities as well by utilizing Draw Board Widget. So to go ahead and do that, we can go to widgets right here and then simply type in draw. And here you can see that drawing board is an option. Go ahead and click and a drawing board gets inserted right here. So I'm just going to go around and say visually, let's say for example, visually explain, or let's say for example, say visually draw your idea right here, just like this. And this will be submitted along with the form as well. Under widget setting, you don't really have much option. You do have the regular option right here. But if I were to go ahead and preview out the form, let's see how the drawing board actually works. So now the users can go ahead and select a color and freely draw with their mouse right here. They can choose the brush size as well, even go ahead and erase it. They can undo, redo, clear it out right here. And they can even go ahead right here, as you can see, and download out the idea as they want right here, just like this. So that is basically how you can go ahead and then, let's say for example, use the drawing board widget inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.